Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday and we are enjoying our morning tea together. Just after a few minutes later, my husband will go to his workplace. Mimi wake up and finds her father is leaving, so she is very upset. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. So today is Monday morning. This morning starts with another failure. Today morning at 6:30 p.m. I have searched the dog for saline and the saline guys came, but after even searching for 1 hour I could not find the dog. So came with failure, total failure. Today Vodhu also did a lot of mess. He did toilet on this gaddi. When I went in the morning for the dog to give saline, I think at that time he might be having some nature's call, and as I was not there, so he did it on this phone. I need to wash everything now. Today my little garden has lots of flowers. I just love it. Lots of hibiscus. And this is belly full. Means belly flower we call it. It smells really fine. This is a small tulsi plant, a real medicinal plant. Now I am washing my artificial plant placed in my living room. It has accumulated a lots of dust on it, so I am cleaning it properly. My chola gur, and this is my breakfast today. I have been informed that the dog has found, and the lady in our locality has put the dog into a confined area, and this is the playground of Mimi's school. Yes, we have reached her. We have reached here for the result, and Mimi has been promoted to nursery. So Mimi is an independent citizen now. Now we are going towards Beleghat ID hospital for the anti-rabies vaccination's last dosage, and this is the new town area. After returning back from the hospital, I went to watch that how is the dog now. He is now feeding some fish given by the local people, and the condition is good, but she is actually not feeling comfortable here because it's a confined place, so we need to release her. Now it's almost 4 p.m. Our paravets arrived and we are now starting her today's saline because in the morning we could not find her, so it has been skipped. So now her saline is going on. Now return back to my home, doing all my daily work, keeping all those clothes in proper place. Now it's 6 p.m. in the evening and now having some sharbat. So since morning, now just now I am getting some time for myself, and Mimi has returned back from the roof. Very tired day today. Too hot, temperature is too high since morning. Look, this is the part of the tripod and Mimi is playing with it. She's just so naughty that I can't tell you. In the report card, madam has written that she is very polite. Madam said that she is very polite and everything. But look, what is the condition? This is the part of the tripod she is playing with. So Monday night I forgot to end the video, and this is Tuesday morning. I start my day with cleaning of Kalu stuff as usual. With these cardboards I will clean the potty, and these are my some very useful cleaning equipments required for cleaning Kalu's potty. So today I will share thoroughly how I clean toilets of dog when they are kept inside our houses. It may be pet dog or stray dog. I am now collecting all the potty scattered throughout the baranda. Kalu has a very bad habit of doing potty like this, so I need to just collect all together and drop into the human toilet and flush it out. And after that I will pour some water on the baranda to clean all the toilets there, and with a broom I will wash them off. I use a single bucket into which I bring the water, and after pouring out all the water on the baranda, I just put those urinated blankets and clothes of Kalu into the bucket, and after that I cleaned the baranda and that bucket with the cloth I will take to the outer tap, and there I will clean them off. And here you can see that after removing the cloth I have found another solid potty there which was left under it, so I need to flush it now again, and then I will clean the veranda. And Kalu is standing waiting for the veranda to be washed off, and then he will get another blanket on which he will fall again. Actually, in this process of cleaning their potty, I don't need to even wet my hands a little. So this is actually, I think it's human friendly, as well as it's good for keeping dogs when he is doing toilets inside our houses. I use another set of chappal for this cleaning purpose, and after I clean my veranda I need to wash my chappals too. Here you can see that the urinated cloth I have placed in my outer tap openly, so that the water actually wash away all those urines, and after that I will touch it to clean it. So in this way I think my hands doesn't get in touch with such urinations. If you use gloves, that will be the best, but actually for everyday work I don't like to use it. Now I am going upstairs for my shower, and I want to show you people how Bhodu reacts when I go upstairs. Bhodu is sleeping on the ground floor, and here I am moving up in my room. Just wait for a few minutes. Here he is. He just can't leave me alone. He moves wherever I move, and I don't know what's this called. It's affection, it's whatever between us. So I am really fond of him now. He will now wait outside my bathroom's gate until I come back. And here is my bathtub. It's been stained. I need to clean it. And look, the change. What magic I have done. This is the first flower, hibiscus flower from my another tree in the garden. Bhodu is there waiting for me to complete my work, and then he will go along with me on the ground floor. Now I am having my breakfast on 11 o'clock with rice and smashed potato, and here I am ready to go out for saline, to give saline. Actually, Paravet will come and I will assist them for that street dog. I return back and having my lunch now, and Mimi already been fed by Masi, and here is Bhodu, and here is Mimi doing all naughtiness, and this is Bholu. Actually this dog has been cured by me a few months back and released back to his area on October, and today his caregiver has given me shared me this video that Bholu is fine. You have seen the magic of the treatment, what we can do for these voiceless animals. It's now almost 8 p.m. I am here outside again to give saline, actually to assist the paravets to give saline to this dog. sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. So Mimi is going to sleep now. Say good night. Say good night. She is having cold. I have given her some medicines now, syrup. She is having cold. Say good night. Good night, take care, bye. Say, bolo. Say good night. See your face. She's not good. Feeling good. Bye bye कर दो, bye bye कर दो, bye bye. Bye. Take care. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.